How to remove learn about this picture icon from the Windows Spotlight desktop background. Here if you have this icon that says learn about this picture, here if you click on it, it will give you the information regarding this picture in your window. So click on it. Once you double click on it, there you go, you have the information regarding the picture right here. But if you like to remove this picture, what you have to do is go to the search bar and then go to settings. Under settings, click on personalization. Now under personalization, scroll down a bit and then click on background. Here in the background, there is a section that says personalize your background. So click on this drop down. From this drop down, you have to click on picture. And there you go. Learn about this picture icon has been removed from the Windows Spotlight desktop background. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.